Okay. What's up, guys? Welcome to the first video. This one I will be able to get on my channel. So today we are going to explore and be goofy in rotation map. Let's go.
Minions.
Down.
I hate minions.
Does anybody want to hear my concert?
Yeah, probably so.
Let's go.
Joy.
I hate you.
Yes.
Dude, come on.
If you leave, you're gay, and if you
Fine,
move,
it's
you're
very
gay.
high.
What?
Alright.
No, give me because I saw you.
Oh shoot! Why? Why? Why would I record? Why would I record? Everyone next to me is a lava monkey. Why would I record? Why would I record? Why would I record this stuff?
Get into Mines 2.0.
Okay, Daddy. Oh, don't worry. I know how to get in. I know how to get in, bro. Watch this. Watch this. Ugh. I know how. Ugh.
Thank you.
You have a person. Oh, by the way, I'm recording this. I'm recording this so people now know how to do a glitch.
YouTube.
Yeah, say hi. Say hi to the brothers.
You can't escape us.
Okay, we're safe. We're safe. We're safe.
Are you treating your friends
Like slaves.
like treating
Your friends. I'm a
You shouldn't have opened it. Shouldn't have opened it. You knew there was an Indian coming for you. There was an Indian brother coming for you. By the way, I am actually Indian though. I am 46% Indian. Let's go, boys.
Oh my god,
Eat the chicken.
I can hear the
We must eat the chicken and watermelon.
Let me in.
Must eat all the chicken and watermelon.
Okay, guys, I'm saving Ashton.
Oh,
What up, guys?
oh, dabba-dee. Yabba dabba doo.
Attack the monkey.
Yabba dabba doo.
We can't talk, everybody's running!
Where'd he go?
I not get on?
Where is he?
The funnest map ever.
Yeah.
This map.
I missed OG caves, but I love like the horror vibe in it.
I don't have any.
Heinz tomato ketchup!
I love like the horror vibe too.
Heinz tomato ketchup!
Heinz, I love Heinz tomato. Like a good name. Okay, wait, guys. I know how to reveal the. Guys, I know how to reveal the monkey. Like a good neighbor.
How? It's a glitch.
Guys, I know how to reveal where the monkey is. Like a good neighbor.
I know where they promised. Guys,
Yes.
No, you might.
It
You
worked.
might thank me. You might thank me.
Oh shoot! He's near me.
he's in here. Get out! Escape when it's opening!
Oh god, come on. Come here. Oh my god. Why did I scream like that?
Creamy peanut butter. We'll give you creamy peanut butter.
I don't need your creamy peanut butter. I have my ways.
Creamy peanut butter. If they let us
I
in,
have
but
my
no
ways.
one's getting it. Absolutely
Now my
nothing.
boys know the
Peanut
glitch.
butter, nothing.
Now my boys know the glitch.
I'm just asking that. Boys, we're gonna eat you. We're hungry.
Sorry.
What are you doing?
We're hungry. Oh,
You already ate them.
creamy peanut butter.
Open it.
Tomato ketchup. Let me in.
No.
Let me in. I got someone over there.
Okay.
I got
Let's go.
No one. Are you de-infected yet?
Find them. And kill them.
You have to go to the
We're
de-infected
lab
wall.
partners, yay! We're lab partners. Oh, he's still.
Where is he?
Everybody, come in here. Come in here.
I don't want to die.
It's not working. Other hands.
I need to kick you out. I'm sorry.
You're kicking me out? I don't like being kicked out.
Bro, what are you doing? What? I'm trying to open it, man.
No, we can't trust anyone. I'm sorry.
You can trust me.
Anyone.
You can trust me. I'm recording. I'm recording. You can trust me. You can trust me. I'm recording. You can trust me. I'm recording for the children. Say hi to the children.
No, he's in there. If you're guarding him.
Yeah.
No matter what, I can with him. Go with the him. I can come in because
No one can come in to tag him. I'm sorry.
No, everyone can.
Good.
Go!
Tell me why.
Run, right. Run.
Why do you feel this way, Ryan? Run! Wait, don't run! It'll make it more painful if you run!
That's very true. True it is.
It'll be more painful if you run! What? Just give up! Go! Go on! Yes! Go! Run!
He's running.
Psych! Sunny! No!
No.
Dude, I'm going away! Why?
No.
Oh, so we can tag White?
No.
So we can tag White, thanks.
You're all black!
Is White even in here?
I'm trying to get out!
Is White even here?
Why escaped? Why escaped?
Dang it.
He did?
On the end!
Wait, no he didn't. No he didn't. He's trying to bait us. He didn't. He didn't
Baiting
escape.
us into leaving!
Some leave, some stay. Some leave.
Don't run, White! Don't run, it'll be painful! Like, really?
Oh,
You're my
someone found him.
No!
He got teabagged. Yes. Yes. He's dead.
Or maybe I'm letting myself go! Feel my pain! Feel my pain! It's a game!
Hurry up. Hurry up, you boogies. Close it. Close it. Close it. Oh my gosh. Go. Run. Run, Cyan. Cyan, run. Cyan. Cyan, don't leave me. Yes. Yes. We're good. We escaped. Oh my god. Jesus. Survived. Guys, if I get tagged, the video ends. Boys, if I get tagged, the video ends.
Oh, that's fine with me. Why?
Please no. Please no. Please no.
Who's actually in the video?
Red. Oh, come on, Red.
Uh-oh.
Oh shoot! No, the video's not gonna end. Not today. Not like this. Oh my god. No. The video ends. No.